Hey guys, it's Beauty by Simone. I'm coming to you today with a quick video on how I mold my hair dry. Just to kind of make this style last one more day. Actually, it's not even styled, but I'm going somewhere tomorrow, so I do want to have my hair freshly washed and, laid. So, this is what it's looking like. It's kind of rough. I have been working out, so it's just kind of rough looking. I really need a cut. I need all this cut down in the back. So just today, before I go to the shop, so that I can look presentable, I just want to go ahead and just do a little molding with my hair dry, sit under the dryer, and then just kind of curl it, something simple for today. So this is just what I do sometimes after I work out and, I get sweaty in my hair and I don't feel like or have time to shampoo it. I'll just mold it dry, sit under the dryer, and it gets me through at least a few days or even a week, depending on how dirty your hair is. Like mine is filthy. Because it's itching so much, I know it's dirty. And then when I sweat in my head really bad. Anywho, so what I'm going to use is my Nairobi foam. Almost out. A little rat tail comb. Look at these teeth, honey. This comb has been through it. And then some strips. And these are just the junior wrap strips. I like these because these are a little, I guess I'll say thicker. Some of the other ones are thin and, when you stretch them, they tear and all that. So these are good. I like those are sturdy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just comb my hair. And I'm at work, so that's why I have this on my face. On my neck. So I'm just going to comb it down. And this is usually how I have it molded. Now, it's kind of gotten out of whack just because I haven't really done anything to my hair. Like, I need a real bad haircut that I might try to go and get next week because I definitely need it. Okay, so that's combed down. Then I'll just take me a few puffs of the foam. And this little thing is messed up, so about that much. And so I'm just gonna put it on. And I don't put it all over sometimes because I just want my edges, like the perimeter and the back, to just lay flat. So most of the time I don't do my whole head. I just do the pieces. Oh my gosh. I just do the parts that are looking a little crusty and, like it's needing some help. I just do those parts. And then I just put it on the back like so, if you guys can see. Put it on the back. Same thing on this side. And this is just a quick fix, like I said, to get you either through your day or your week before you get to go to the salon, or if you got something you want to do and your hair is looking crusty and it's looking like, oh my gosh, it's not laying down. And sometimes I have to put more up here too. It's not laying down, or it's not, molded and doing what I wanted to do. Sometimes you just got to take matters into your own hands until you can get to the salon. Okay? So I'll just mold it down the way that it is. And I usually just go straight down to kind of just frame my face. Mold it and just comb it down. Comb it, comb it, comb it. Comb it, comb it, comb it. And you guys see how I'm just going down like with the shape of my head. And nothing spectacular. I'm just going to put some foam on and just kind of, let it do what it do. And my teeth are gone. Like I can't even swoop it and do nothing I really want to do because I have some missing teeth. So some parts are getting combed and some are just seeming like they're not. But hey, it's going to work for right now. I need to go buy me some more combs for home because I have, all my combs are at the shop. Okay. And see how that weighs up? It's because I really need a relaxer and I'm trying to wait it out. Because I did want color. Spring is here and I kind of wanted a little color, So I can't relax it. Well, you can, but I don't. Relax it and do color. I'm not doing that. Okay, so now you put your strip. Now I like to start one like right up here, like where that piece is. To lay that down, I always just tie it, and make sure my ears are like out, okay, on the first strip. The second strip, probably so too. And I like to do like toward the middle and lay that down. So that one can go actually over your ear. That. And then I will do one toward the bottom so that all this back can lay down. You see that sticking up? So I want to do one at the bottom for that. And then you just tie it. And bam. So I will walk around like this all day until it's, you know, time for me to do what I need to do. Now, sometimes I will go right now and like sit under the dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes just to let it mold and, you know, kind of stick, you know what I'm saying, to the hair, the way it'll be set. And then I will just walk around until it's time for me to get off of this job and go to my next one. Take those off and then just throw me a few curls in, okay? So once I have done the curling and everything, I'll do another video just so you guys can see. But this is the mold down with the strips and the Nairobi foam. So I will, like I said, go sit under the dryer for a few and do a little work, and then I'll be ready for my day. Okay, just a little simple something for you guys, like I said, before you go to the salon or if you have a day in between.